If you find yourself in the middle of a project with drywall anchors that are stuck in your wall, I'm going to show you how to remove them. Use the screw that was in the drywall anchor and put that back in. In theory, you should be able to use your hammer and gently remove it from the wall, and the drywall anchor should come with it. You may want to put something behind the hammer so you don't punch it through your drywall. In this situation, it removed it slightly from the wall, but not all of the way. So then you should be able to get your hammer just slightly behind it and then just gently remove that drywall anchor. Now, the reason that I had drywall anchors stuck in my wall to begin with was because I used the ones that were included with my shelves. Those are always a mistake because they are never going to hold. So I have these on hand and they have worked wonders for me in any of the projects I've done. They're metal, they're super secure. You stick them in. As you can see, I put that into the previous drywall hole and use a screwdriver to secure them in, and they just work their way into your wall. And then it has included screws that you screw into there. For some reason, I was rushing through the installation of these shelves and I used those plastic anchors that were included. Then my shelves were half hanging off the wall, so I replaced them with the metal ones and it made them nice and secure and level with the wall. I hope this was helpful. Good luck with your projects.